A is for alligator, big and green. B is for bear, the jungle queen. C is for chip swinging in the air. D is for deer with spots to spare. E is for eel in the water so blue. F is for frog yelling ribbon at you. G is for gorilla, strong and wide. H is for hippo with a muddy slide. I is for iguana on a sunny log. J is for jaguar sneaking through fog. K is for koala, sleepy and slow. L is for lion with a mighty roar. Go! M is for monkey, jumping with flair. N is for night owl with a silent stare. O is for octopus, hiding in a stream. P is for parrot with feathers that gleam. Q is for quail tiptoeing past. R is for rhino, rumbling fast. S is for snake, slithering near. T is for tiger, fierce with cheer. U is for Uriel on the cliff so steep. V is for vulture, taking a leap. W is for wolf, howling at the moon. X is for gray fish, dancing in tune. Y is for iguana on a sunny lawn. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we've sung from A to Z, with jungle animals wild and free. So next time you sing your ABCs, think of monkeys, snakes, and trees. Clap your hands, give a cheer. The jungle ABCs are always near.